Shots fired, shots fired. I'm keep trying to keep you warm, all right?
On the 12th of January 2025, in Houston, an OIS occurred within the first 60 seconds of this body cam. What matters legally and humanly is what happened in the 3 minutes that followed.
You good? You open the door or what? Open the fucking door, dude. Gosh damn. Let me see your fucking hands. Hold it here, hold it here. Let me see your fucking hands right now. Shots fired, shots fired. What's this big down? What's this big down? Black male. He has one gun on the side. He's no gun right now. Hold the air, okay? Math, get inside, get inside. Let me see your hands, man.
I can't move.
All right, we'll keep it there, all right, bro? I'll get you help as soon as I can.
Can I get a start to the hands for what they're going to bring? Shots fired.
Hey, just get here as slow as possible, though, okay? Because he's good right now, okay? But go ahead and get HFD over here to my location. He says he can't move right now. I'm trying to give him verbal commands. He can't move his back.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I got him right here. Black pants, it's a black hoodie, red underwear, black shoes, moving left to right. Hey, keep talking to me, bro. I'm right here. We're gonna get your help, okay, man? Hey, you hear me, man?
Okay, sir, give me a message back here. So, give me an ambulance.
He's right here. When we go up, kick that gun to the right, okay?
I got you.
Hey, we're about to make movement on the suspect right now, getting detained, okay? Move.
Do not move, okay?
I'm going hands on, okay? Kick that thing to the right. You hold on him.
I got you.
Kick to the right. I got you, bro. I got you. Push to it. Push. Let me see your hand. I'm moving right here, okay?
Can't move.
I know. I got you, though. Help's coming on the way, okay? Let me see this hand. If it's gonna hurt, I know it's gonna hurt. Just hang on with me, okay? All right, get that gun. Secure it. You got anything else on you, man?
No, I can't move.
Okay, I got you. I know. Well, where's it hurting right now, big dog?
No, it does not.
Your back?
I can't move.
I got you. Just relax. Stay right there, okay? Hold on him. Get inside my shop. Get inside. Look, I don't got anything in here to help us. Are you okay, ma'am? You're not hurt anyway? Okay. Hey, you got a first aid?
Yeah.
Get it for me. So far, one. Hey, can you ask her how many are there? It's just you, bro?
Yeah.
All right. Get the med kit. All right, this is all you had on you? Put this poncho off your head, okay?
I really hurt.
Where are you hurting at? In the neck?
When you move.
Okay, cool. I know. Just hang on. You're good, man. You're good. You're good, big dog.
I wasn't gonna do nothing.
What's up, bro?
I don't know why did you shoot me?
Bro, you had a gun on you, man. You had one in the hostage, bro.
And I was gonna push her up and run.
Big dog, you can't be doing that around here, man.
Oh, you hurt me.
Where at?
My arms, they going dead.
Your arms?
Everything feel heavy now.
Okay. Just hang on, man. I'm trying to keep you warm, all right? I'm trying to figure out what
Can you please?
Under Tennessee v. Garner, 471 U.S. 11985. Deadly force is authorized when the suspect poses a significant threat to the officer or others. The or others element is decisive here. An identified hostage is not a speculative threat. She is confirmed, present, and specific. This is Garner's highest priority justification category. Under Graham v. Conner, 498 S. 386, A. 1989, all three factors were simultaneously elevated. Hostage taking at severity, gun near an identified hostage at immediate threat, and sustained non-compliance at active resistance. The subject's post-OIS statement, "and I was gonna push her up and run," is a voluntary admission under Illinois v. Gates, 462 U.S. 213-1983. It confirms the threat that justified the force. A real hostage, a real gun, and a deliberate plan to use her as a human shield. The officer's on-camera explanation, "You had a gun on you, man, you had one in the hostage," is a contemporaneous oral record of force justification. Courts and administrative reviewers treat on-camera force explanations as primary documentation, and this one is precise. Under the 14th Amendment, persons in police custody have a right to medical care. The officer called HFD requested a med kit, maintained continuous verbal engagement, acknowledged neurological symptoms, and kept the subject warm. That care exceeds every constitutional requirement. The officer receives an A-. Garner justification grounded in a hostage, Graham factors at maximum elevation, contemporaneous force documentation, and exceptional post-OIS care are documented strengths. Pre-OIS profanity during door commands in a hostage situation prevents a higher grade. The subject receives a D. Armed hostage use as a human shield is indefensible, confirmed by his own on-camera admission. Post-OIS cooperation, on-camera honesty, and intent to escape rather than harm the hostage are the mitigating factors for that grade. 3 takeaways. First, in a hostage scenario, Garner's or others is the highest priority force justification. The threat is identified and specific, not speculative, and here it is confirmed by the subject's own admission, independent of the officer's account. Second, a voluntary post-OIS admission is admissible without Miranda. "I was gonna push her up and run," made spontaneously in conversation after the OIS, is the subject's own confirmation of the exact threat that justified the shooting. Third, sustained post-OIS care. HFD called, continuous verbal support, injury acknowledged, kept warm, exceeds the 14th Amendment standard. An officer who provides this level of care for the person he just shot is doing exactly what the Constitution and professional standards require. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments. Thank you for watching, and check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more police interaction and courtroom content.